Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Channel 5. Get ready for a journey through the world's most thrilling amusement parks, where every twist and turn will leave you amazed. Today, we bring you 7 roller coasters, each larger than life and more exciting than the last. But before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest from Channel 5. Our first mind-blowing roller coaster is the Russian Water Mountain, located in Russia. It's not only the tallest but also the largest coaster globally, offering a breathtaking descent and a splashdown the size of 2 football fields. Spectacular, isn't it? Next up, we have the Kilimanjaro in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This coaster stands tall as the tallest in Latin America, boasting a thrilling free fall from a height of 49 meters. Are you ready for the challenge? Moving on to the Insano in Fortaleza, Brazil. Built in 1989, this slide promises an unforgettable experience with its rapid descent that lasts a mere 4 seconds. Are you brave enough to take the plunge? Now, let's talk about the Summit Plummet in Florida, USA. This slide, spanning about 100 meters, offers a heart-stopping freefall from a height of 36 meters. Dare to challenge yourself? Up next is the Captain Spacemaker in Venice, Italy. Known as Europe's largest water slide, it has attracted countless thrill-seekers with its 42-meter height. Are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Last but not least, let's discuss the Ricot, the tallest coaster in the world. Standing at a towering 51 meters, it's not for the faint-hearted. With speeds reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour, it's a true test of bravery. So, are you ready to take on these incredible coasters? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling content. Until next time, adventure awaits.